Are you wondering what are the best home improvements? Stay tuned as I'll be sharing that information right now. Hi, I'm Joan Bang. I'm a real estate consultant in Los Angeles County. I guide, lead, and protect families during their home buying and home selling journeys. If this is your first time here, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll stay informed of our future videos. So you may be wondering, what are the best home improvements? That's what we are talking about today. Make sure you watch until the end of this video to find out how to get your free room-by-room review, which offers valuable tips for getting your home ready for sale. Today, I'll be sharing the 5 best home improvements according to HouseLogic. Number 1, new roof. For a new roof, the return on investment is 109%. So if the cost is $7,500, you can expect a return of $8,150. Number 2, hardwood floors. For refinishing hardwood floors, the return on investment is 100%. So if the cost is $2,500 to refinish the hardwood floors, you can expect a return of $2,500. For a new purchase of hardwood floors, the return on investment is 91%. So if the cost is $5,500, you can expect a return of $5,000. Number 3, new garage door. For a new garage door, the return on investment is 87%. So if the cost is $2,300 for a new 2-car garage door, you can expect a return of $2,000. Number 4, better insulation. For better insulation, the return on investment is 76%. Plus, there's additional savings on heating and cooling costs from this improvement. So if the cost is $2,100 for better insulation, you can expect a return of at least $1,600. Number 5, new siding. For new siding, the return on investment is 75%. So if the cost is $13,350, you can expect a return of $10,000. Well, there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. To get your free room-by-room review on valuable tips to get your home ready for sale, please send me a message. My contact information is in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button, subscribing to this channel, and sharing this video with your friends. See you on the next one.